kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. Kids, do you know what is the date today? Think? Yes, today is 12th of May. And what is there on 12th of May? Does anybody know? What do we celebrate on 12th of May? Any guesses? Any guesses? Let me tell you. On 12th of May, we celebrate International Nurse Day. Yes, now do remember on 12th of May, what is there? International Nurse Day. Of course, if today is International Nurse Day, then our craft will be based on that. So what should we make for International Nurse Day? Any guesses? Seeing the things displayed in front of me? Yes, we will be making a nurse cap and a mask. Yes, mask is of course right now, nowadays, it's so important to wear a mask and go outside. So for that, I will show you how to make mask to protect yourself and two nurse cap related to our topic, that is International Nurse Day. So I will show you what all materials is required to make the nurse cap and a mask. So starting with the nurse cap. For the two nurse cap, we will require a red color marker, a blue color marker, a sellotape, scissors, a scale and A4 size paper. For one nurse cap, we require one A4 size paper. Since we are making two nurse cap, we will require two A4 size paper. This all material you require for nurse cap. And to make mask, we require one rectangular cotton cloth. You can use any rough cloth, handkerchief, whatever you have at your house. You can nicely wash and you can use it to make a mask. You can cut in the rectangular shape how I have done. Then you require a thread, a needle and two pieces of elastics. Since it's a lockdown period and if we don't have elastic available at your house, you can use any material that has elastic in it. See, I'm using two pieces that I have taken it from my leggings. Yes, leggings do have elastic, so I have removed one from my leggings and I'm using it as a elastic to use it for the mask. So you can use whatever available material you have at your house. So this all material we require to make a mask and a nurse cap. So let's get started with this nurse cap. To make this nurse cap, I will require sellotape, scissors to cut the sellotape, two markers, red and blue color, scale and one A4 size paper. So let me show you how to make this. So let's get started.
So we have taken a A4 size paper and we are folding it little bit upwards. Now we will draw a line with the help of the scale. So I have taken a blue color marker and I will draw 3 lines with the help of the scale. So we first folded the paper upwards and drew 3 lines with the help of the scale. 3 lines of blue color. Now I am taking red color marker and in the center of the paper I will draw the plus sign, that is called as cross sign also, which is used for the hospitals and the doctor's purpose. So I drew the 3 lines of blue color and in the center of the paper I drew the doctor's sign, plus sign. in the center of the paper with the red color. So let's turn the paper. Take one end of the paper in your hand and the another one. Join both the ends. You can join both the ends of the paper with the help of a sellotape. I have already cut few pieces of sellotape and then I am joining that. The sellotape will be helpful to join the ends of the paper. I've used 3 sellotapes to join the ends of the paper. Now I'll be folding the upper triangular part inwards. For that also I will require 1 sellotape. So you saw how easy it was to prepare the nurse cap. So our nurse cap is ready now. So this is the one nurse cap which we made. Now we will make the another one. So kids, for the second nurse cap we just required 1 A4 size paper and a red color marker. So let's get started. Look at the folds carefully. I have taken a A4 size paper and I am folding it to the exactly half of the paper. The half of the paper will be again folded into the next half. Half, then the another one half, and opening that, take this side triangular part and perfectly see the line. And press the paper. Now take the second part, triangular part, and perfectly fold it. Now fold the down side of the paper into the half part. And fold it upwards. Now turn the paper to the back side. So after turning back side, we will fold it like this from one end. Now the another end. We will do the 2 fold, taking it inwards at both the ends. Press it gently. Now the last triangular part inwards. Open up and make a small yes. see, after opening up, we did a small triangular fold and then press it upwards. And take that fold inside as a lock. And now take the front part. Now locket this triangular part inside the give it a shape with your hands. Now your nurse cap is ready. Let's make a plus sign, doctor's sign in mid of the cap using the red marker. So this is how we made the second nurse cap. See how beautiful it looks. So we made two different types of nurse cap. Now we will make the mask. So I'm taking this rectangular cloth and placing this elastic over here, and I'll make it a fold. Okay, and this part I will stitch now with the help of the needle and the thread. So I will start my stitching. So like that we will do the stitching of this entire till the end of the cloth. So kids, like this we have to stitch this entire till the end. And for stitching, yes, of course you can take the help of your parents. So we have to come to the end, from starting from here to this we have to come to the end, and you can take help of your parents, of course. So once we come to the end, then we have to stitch this both the ends of the elastic as well. Okay, so see, I have stitched here also and I have stitched here also. Now I will stitch both the ends of the elastic as well. Okay, I'll show you. So see kids, now I'm stitching the ends of the elastic. I've took two ends, one upon each other, and now I'm stitching that. Kids, be careful while stitching. See that the needle doesn't hurt you. So do in the guidance with the help of your parents. Make sure that when you are doing the stitching, your parents are around you, and do with them. Okay, be careful that needle doesn't hurt you. So like this we will stitch both the ends of the elastic. So now our elastic is stitched. Now I will give it a knot so that the stitching doesn't get open. Do remember to give the knot in the end so that your stitch never gets open. Okay, if your parents are there, they will help you doing that. So kids, see, I have stitched both the ends of the elastics. I have stitched both the ends over here. Now our mask is ready. So simple. nothing much is there. Only you have to stitch this two sides and the ends of the elastic. Now I'll show you to wear. See, I'm wearing this mask. So now when you are going out, you should wear the mask and go. So the mask is ready. So in today's video, we learned a nurse cap, two different types of nurse cap and a mask. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a lovely day, blessed day, be safe, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a lovely day, blessed day, be safe and be at home. No going out. Thank you.